Today I am going to draw a boat. So let's get started. First, sketch the boat. Start by drawing the basic shape of the boat, by drawing two curved lines. Then attach these lines on both sides. Then draw two curved lines coming from both sides. Next, draw two curved lines. Now draw an oar, a long pole with a broad blade at one end, used for propelling or steering a boat. Now draw a curved line at the end. Then draw some more curved lines to add some details and texture to boat. Now draw two curved lines on both sides of boat. Now add small waves around the boat to enhance the sense of motion. Now draw clouds on top. You can also add seagulls, clouds, or other elements to the background to complete the scene. Now, refine the shapes and ensure all lines are smooth and connected properly. Now, go over your marker to finalize the drawing and make it more prominent. Remember to take your time and adjust the details to your liking as you progress through each step. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tutorials for kids. Now our drawing is completed. So it's time to add some colours. Colouring in a boat can be a fun part of the drawing process. Decide on the colours you want to use for the boat, sail, water, and any other elements in the scene. Traditional boat colours often include shades of blue, white, red, and brown. But feel free to get creative with your choices. Remember to take your time and adjust the details to your liking as you progress through each step.